Hello students, I am back with new chapter light, shadows and reflection. So what is light? We see so many things around us, different from each other, their shapes, colors and different from each other. When we go to school or anywhere, on the way we see things like different vehicles, trees, animals, houses and sometimes flowers. Have you ever think we see all these things? Now think of the same places at night time if it were completely dark. Suppose you go inside a completely dark room. Are you able to see things in the room? Sometimes when electricity cut off at night time and everywhere darkness and completely dark around, are you able to see things around you? No, isn't it? But when you light a candle or a torch, you can see the objects around you. Means light is essential to see. Without light, things cannot be seen. Light helps us to see objects. So light is a form of energy that enables us to see. The brightness that comes from the sun, fire, etc. and from electric devices and that allows things to be seen. A bright light, fluorescent or ultraviolet light, a beam or ray of light. Light was streaming in through the open door. So the torch bulb is an object that gives out light of its own. And another familiar object, the sun, that gives its own light. So during the day its light allows us to see object. Look closely to the picture. Here two types of pictures are given, luminous and non-luminous object. Luminous object means objects that gives its own light. They are called non-luminous object, and non-luminous object means objects which do not have their own light are called non-luminous object. An example of luminous object is sun. An example of non-luminous object is a moon. Now visible and invisible objects. So object here two categories are there, visible objects and invisible object. Object which we can see light from object enters our eyes, and invisible object which we cannot see light from object does not enter our eyes. Again two types of visible objects are there, light emitted by object and light reflected by object. Light emitted by object, example is luminous object, it means sun, and light reflected by object, example is non-luminous object, an example is moon. Now invisible object, we are not able to see anything when light goes off. Now luminous and non-luminous object, all the objects that we see around us can be categorized into two categories, luminous and non-luminous object. Luminous object means object which emit light of their own. Example, sun, bulb, candle, fire. And non-luminous object means objects which do not have light of their own but reflect off the light of luminous object that fall on them to our eyes. They are visible due to the light they reflect. Moon, blue sky, clouds, trees, car, table. So object we see these things when light from a luminous object like the sun, a torch or an electric light falls on these and then travels toward our eyes. So here luminous versus non-luminous object given. Luminous object means glowing bulb and non-luminous object a book. So thank you student, we'll meet you soon with next video. Thank you.